So this happened. And at this point, I felt like I won big in life. So I celebrated my birthday with the most beautiful souls. When I arrived, their eyes were lit up not because I was there with gifts, but because I brought time and it so hit me. And now the best part, each one of them made me birthday cards with crayons, tiny hands, patiently waiting to hand over. Oh my god, you guys can already see that on my face. How overwhelmed I was. They were filled with more love than I could ever hold. And what hit me even more hard, that they didn't know me, yet they made me feel so seen, so loved. They celebrated me in the purest and the most honest way. And trust me, at this point, my eyes were full of tears, but the tears of joy. I was like, there must be something I did right, otherwise this wouldn't happen. And then a little dance competition happened. As you can see, they did it so beautifully. We cheered them up, we cut the cake, distributed food, but more than that, we shared stories, laughter, moments, innocent joy. It was also Bengali New Year, which we call Novobarsho, and couldn't find a better day for the celebration. Now, a big shout out to Robin Hood Army. Thank you so much for connecting me with the right people always. Also for the birthday surprise, which was not in the plan. You guys are the sweetest. Thank you for making me feel special. I'm so grateful. I went to give, but I received more than I ever expected. Please read the caption to know more about these kids. Now my birthday is tomorrow, and I have never been into big celebrations because birthdays make me anxious like Joe. Yes, that's true. So from last year, I decided to celebrate this way. Just a heart full of intention to give, and I'm so glad that I could do my small bit. Then मैं घर वापस आई and read all the cards all over again and I couldn't stop crying. The feeling is unreal. Finally देखो, ये वीडियो कोई शो ऑफ कि मैंने क्या किया है या फिर ज्ञान देने के लिए तो नहीं है, but a very gentle reminder as a friend that your smallest gesture can impact big on someone's life. So please do however you feel with whatever you have. Definitely the best birthday celebration so far, जिसे मैं कभी नहीं भूल सकती. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.